there is no necessity that we fathom his wisdom and comprehend why he chose to punish a particular person in this fashion and not in another. This cannot be known, just as we cannot know the reason that causes particular species to be given this form and not the other one. The general principle is, however, that all his ways are just, right, and will punish a sinner according to the nature of his sin, and reward those who act kindly according to the nature of their kindness. Very short paragraph, so let's explain, and if you have questions, we can answer questions. Okay, so let's see. So one more time. There is no necessary to fathom his wisdom and comprehend why Hashem chooses to punish a particular person in this fashion and not in another. So who said that, as Rambam Zatzal said a few times, if I understood Hashem, I will be him. And he understood many things, right? And Rambam, right? So we have to accept this fact that we don't have the whole picture. So if I don't have the whole picture, so if I wouldn't have the whole picture, if I be next to Hashem and he would show me all of the details, I would agree. But of course, nobody is asking me. But we have to accept the fact that we don't have a full picture, right? And whatever Hashem does is precise, right? According to every person. And since we do not know all of the picture why Hashem doing this or that, so we try never ever judge anybody. So, and even if we give somebody advice, we try to help person to stop this suffering. But many people, I mean, maybe they like suffering. I don't know. That's a different story. If somebody likes the suffering, that's a different story. Okay, so again, we don't have to understand Hashem, but know for sure that whatever he does is, whatever he's doing is just. This cannot be known. One second, just one second. A particular person, fashion. So he okay, the whole sentence. So we have continuation. Why he chose to punish a particular person in this fashion and not in another? This cannot be known. So I mean, we don't know why. Just as we cannot know the reason that he causes particular species to be given this form and the other not. So okay. So people try to understand Hashem. How about like all the other things, like all of the trees they have. I'm just thinking about like different density. Like go figure. This is bigger or this is smaller. This has fruits. Most of the trees do not have fruits. Like right, Hashem has his wisdom, and he needs the trees without fruits and trees with fruits. Okay, for different purposes and forms of different animals. Right. The general principle is, however, that all his ways are just, and that is why when somebody dies, we say Baruch Dayan Chayemes. So blesses Hashem, true judge, righteous judge. You understand? Because whatever he does is just, and so people like not religious people like they get offended. So I just explained to them before saying if I know that the person does not know that what I'm going to say. So one of our students lost his father just 2 days ago. So I explained. I mean, whenever we discuss death, we learn halacha. I mean, so I explained that that's what we do. That's what we say. Right? The special phrase, "Blesses Hashem, true judge." But if you say to somebody who is not prepared what he's going to hear, he's going to get offended. It's understandable. Continue. He will punish the sinner according to the nature of his sin. So only Hashem knows what the person deserves. Okay. And reward those who act kindly according to the nature of their kindness. So don't tell Hashem what to do, like he knows what he's doing.